Hello, my dear students. I hope you are doing well. So, today's lesson is about a or an. These are articles. Where do we use them? We use them before a noun. Let me give you an example of a noun. Cat is a noun. Banana, pig, book, car, apple, elephant, ice cream, orange, umbrella. These are nouns. Okay? So, before a noun, we have to use an article. It's either a or an. Okay? But the question is, when do we use a and when do we use an? It's very simple. Okay? If we have a vowel, like if the noun starts with a vowel, like a, e, I, o, u. These are vowels. The vowels are, I repeat, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. If the noun starts with these letters, with the vowel, we use N. For example, apple is a noun. It starts with A, so we use N. An apple, an apple. An elephant. Look, it starts with E, and E is a vowel. So we use N. An elephant, an elephant. Same thing for ice cream. It starts with I, and I is a vowel. So we use N. An ice cream, an ice cream, an ice cream. Okay? The next word we have orange. Orange. It starts with O, and O is a vowel. So an orange, an orange. Okay? Same thing for U. U is a vowel. Okay? So before a vowel we put N. So an umbrella, an umbrella. Okay? Now we move to A. When do we use A? A, we use it with consonants. Consonants. What are the consonants? Consonants are every alphabet letter except for vowels. C, B, K, Q, R. These are consonants. We use before them A. So for example, we have cat. Cat. Cat is a noun. It starts with C. C is a consonant, so we use the article A. A cat. A cat. Banana. B. B is a consonant. A banana. A banana. Pig. Pig. Pig starts with P. P is consonant, so a pig. A pig. Next we have book. Book. Book starts with B. B is a consonant, so we use A. A book. A book. Next we have car. Car. Car starts with C. C is a consonant, so we use A before it. So a car. A car. Now let's come here. We have an exercise. Number 1, a cup. Why did we use A? Because cup starts with C, and C is a consonant. Consonants, okay? Consonants. So we use A, okay? Look, consonants. Here we have ant. Ant. Ant starts with A. A is a vowel. So we use the article N before it. An ant. An ant. Now let's do the rest of the exercise together. Number 3 is bus. Bus is a noun. It starts with B. B is consonant or a vowel? Is B a consonant or a vowel? Good, it is a consonant. What do we use before consonant? A or N? A, good job. So we use a. A, a bus. Okay? Number 4, same thing. Arm, arm. Look at the noun. It starts with A. A is a consonant or a vowel? Is a consonant or a vowel? A vowel, good. So we use the article A or N. A or N. N, good job. So we use N. 5, lemon. Look at the first letter, L. Is L a vowel or a consonant? A consonant, good. We use A or N. A, good job, a lemon. Okay, good. Now we move to number 6, egg, egg. So egg starts with E. E is a consonant or a vowel? A vowel, good. So we use A or N? We use N, good job. So we use N, good. Number 7, we have flower, flower. It starts with F, F. F is a consonant or a vowel? F is a consonant, good. So we use A or N here? A or N? We use A, good. Good job. Now we move to number 7, ear, ear. So ear starts with E. E is a consonant or a vowel? It is a vowel. Good job. So we use the article A or N? A or N? We use N. Good. Now we move to number 9. We have circle. Circle. Circle starts with C. C is a consonant or a vowel? C is consonant. Good. What do we use before consonants? A or N? We use a circle. Good. Now number 10, we have igloo. Igloo. Igloo starts with I. I is a consonant or a vowel? It's it's a vowel. Good. What do we use before a vowel? A or N? We use N. Good. Good job. What about 11? Sheep. Sheep. Sheep starts with S. S a consonant or a vowel? What do you think? Is S a consonant or a vowel? S is a consonant. Good. So what article we use before S? A or N? We use a sheep. A sheep. Good. Now number 12, we have ice. Ice. Ice starts with I. I is a vowel or a consonant? A vowel. Good. Good job. What about the article here? Is it A or N? It's a nice. Good. An ice. Good job. Number 13, we have monkey. Monkey. Monkey starts with M. M is a consonant or a vowel? M is a consonant. Good. So, what article should we use here? A or N? A or N? We use A. Good job. A monkey. A monkey. Now we move to 14. We have oval. Oval. Oval starts with O. O, is it a consonant or a vowel? O is a vowel. Good. What's the article do we use here? We use A or N? A or N? We use N. Good. Next we have 15. Duck. Duck. It starts with D. Is D a consonant or a vowel? D is a consonant. Good job. What do we use before consonants? A or N? A or N? We use A. Good job. A duck. A duck. Good. Now we move to the last one, which is 16. Octopus. Octopus. Octopus starts with O. Okay? It starts with O. Is O a consonant or a vowel? O is a vowel. Good job. What about the article that we should use before it? Is it A or N? A or N? So we use N. Good job. Good job. And that was the lesson of today. I hope you understood. If you still have any questions or you want more exercises, just leave me a comment and I'm here to help you master your English. Goodbye and see you in the next one.